Hey friends, if you wish to show or hide grid lines in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Go to the View tab, and then under the show section there is something called as grid lines. So when you open grid lines, you will be able to see all of these grid lines here. But I'll tell you something honestly, unlike Excel, grid lines do not have much of a use in Microsoft Word unless you are specifically using it for figures, because the cursor will not move according to the grid lines. So you can hide it by unchecking this box, and you can check it by this. For me personally, I use it this way. If I need to use grid lines for something, I first create the figure or the document or anything in Microsoft Excel, and then copy paste it to Word. It's easy to do that, and this method is somewhat more tedious, but yes, if you want to use it, then this is the way. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.